I'll tell you why I'm here, actually. I've went into property a couple of years ago. The mistake that I've done is that I've went in with a limited knowledge.
Accountants and financial advisors are not magicians, but we give you information and you decide what you want to do with it. I can't force you, you understand?
As property investors, let's move away from I've got 50 units and let's come back to before I even sign the offer to purchase, am I happy that I'll be breaking even within 25 days? Return on investment wants to check that, okay, I understand that you're getting 75,000 on a monthly basis from your property, right? But now after bond, after maintenance, after all of your deductions, how much are you really left with?